And meron rin po tayong mga foreign tax withheld. For example, yung mga non-resident alien engaged not engaged in trade or business, yung 25%, and yung 30%, yung non-resident foreign corporation. So, we'll now proceed sa ating um, QAP validation po and downloading. As you can see here, ise-select po natin yung ating corresponding month and then get data. So after nyan, you will just click generate and meron na po tayong tax return. I mean the 80 file. So similar sa SLSP, we will just download yung D80 file and validate it using the alpha list ng BIR. Validation tool ng BIR. So dito po, yun po, pagka-select po natin, we will also validate. No errors encountered. Pag okay na po, we can submit sa BIR e-submission on or before, pag third quarter po, on or before October 31 po.